Teaching is difficult. Teachers have to find or create lectures, find or create assignments, find or create assessments, and grade a mountain of student work. It's a very stressful job. Now, we know from decades of research that active learning increases student success. This means that the more students are collaborating, creating, and doing, the more skills and information they will retain. So teachers, finding and creating lectures takes a lot of time. Instead, put students in groups and assign them to find or create the lectures. Then, look over their work and make suggestions before the lectures are delivered to the class. Finding and creating assignments takes a lot of time. Instead, put students in groups and have them find or create assignments. Then look them over before they are deployed. Finding and creating assessments like tests and quizzes also takes a lot of time. Instead, put students in groups and have them find or create assessments. Then you look them over. Finally, grading. Have students do that too. Don't take away an opportunity for them to learn through peer evaluation. This new active learning paradigm would result in increased student success and would make teaching much easier. Now you might think, if I have students do all the work, what is my role? Well, you are a guide, a manager, a facilitator who challenges students to build strong collaboration, critical thinking, creative problem solving, and communication skills every day throughout every lesson. Because if we believe that teaching is the highest form of understanding, all we need to do is allow students to teach.